If you're eyeing GRT, the Graphs token, for 2025 and beyond, buckle up. Price is scraping 7 cents, but check this weekly chart. It's coiled below key trend lines, oversold on Heikin-Ashi RSI, and parked in my green accumulation zone from 6 to 8 cents. Meanwhile, the graph just dropped game-changing tools like foundational stores for substreams, slashing redundant Ethereum RPC calls that waste millions daily. Add ERC-8004 collab with Ethereum Foundation and heavy hitters like Coinbase, and you've got fundamentals screaming undervalued. Is this the setup for a breakout to 75 cents? Stick around. I'll break it all down, no hype, just facts from the latest drops. Look, on Ethereum alone, millions of redundant RPC calls happen every day. Each one's slow, costs a fortune, and spits out the same stale data as yesterday. Teams rebuild caches and parsing logic from scratch, pure waste that drags down speed and balloons infra bills. But the graph's flipping the script with a smarter way to handle shared foundational datasets. Imagine ditching that grind for seamless on-chain access across 90-plus blockchains. GRT fuels it all, uniting indexers, curators, delegators, and devs. That's the decentralized data network powering Web3. The graph recently unleashed foundational stores for substreams. Think pre-built data stores straight from the blockchain, no streaming delays. Devs are calling it a game changer. Sub-millisecond lookups instead of waiting on RPCs. It cuts redundant computations, caches, and infra costs, ensuring consistent, fork-aware data that's always fresh. Scalable too. Block-level versioning, multi-layer rollbacks, multiple storage backends for handling massive projects without sweat. Flexible inputs combine one or more substreams modules, even public ones, so you reuse proven data and innovate faster. No more starting from a 1 gigabyte mess. They've got 500 gigabytes pre-processed, saving Ethereum devs from redundant RPC hell. There's even more on the way soon. But the core team's kicked off too for devs. Live token metadata store with ERC-20 data across supported EVM chains, and Solana SPL store tracking tokens plus wallet relationships. Streamline your flows today. These substream stores make building frontends for dApps lightning fast. GRT is the fuel, enabling seamless access for indexers and everyone in the ecosystem. If you're new to this, substreams are like efficient data pipelines. They query blockchains without the usual bloat. Huge for decentralized AI. Ethereum Foundation and Consensus shipped ERC-8004, a protocol for AI agent discovery, trust, and collab. Contributions poured in from Coinbase, Google, MetaMask, Phala Network, YNS Domains, OpenZeppelin, Cisco, Eliza Labs, Virtuals AI, Edge and Node, and our pals at the Graph. Edge and Node shaped the spec and integration paths for open agent economies. Think AI agents trading data securely on-chain. Marco De Rossi nailed it. Last 6 weeks were an intense technical puzzle, feeling like early open-source magic. More to come. This positions GRT deep in AI blockchain fusion. Graph devs just rolled out organization management accounts on the Graph market. Managing team blockchain data services? Way easier now. Centralized admin for substreams, firehose, and token API. Granular role-based permissions, unified billing and usage analytics, fast onboarding offboarding. If terms like firehose sound foreign, it's basically a high-throughput data stream for real-time blockchain feeds. Perfect for teams juggling multiple projects. The new Sonic Testnet 2.1 is live, and the Graph already supports it for building subgraphs. Those are indexed datasets for querying smart contracts easily. Use them to craft performant frontends with Sonic dApps data today. Sonic Testnet brings Ethereum's Pectra upgrade compatibility, expanding capabilities on this high-speed EVM chain. It's like a dev's playground for faster, cheaper transactions. Now, my weekly chart. I've anchored Fibonacci retracement from March 2024's 50 cents top to April-June 6 cents lows. Price hugs the previous bottom level now, right in my green DCA zone. Prime accumulation spot, with killer risk-reward. We are below all EMAs, 10, 21, 55, 100, and the 200 SMA green line, consolidating under the recent May-July descending trend line. Break that up, and the bigger March-December one follows. VRVP's point of control at 9 cents acts like a magnet, could pull us there first. Heikinashi RSI is printing a fourth red candle, deep oversold. Not screaming bull yet, but with these developments, it's a huge undervalued opportunity in my opinion. Red dashed line is a stop loss. Weekly close below invalidates this short-term trade. I would re-enter at 4 cents. My green circles mark take profit zones. 10 cents, trim 10%. 15 cents, 30%. 23 cents, 20%. 30 cents, 20%. 50 cents, 10%. 75 cents, 10%. I'm also trailing my stop loss. For example, hit first target, move to entry. Risk-free from there. Honest take? Fundamentals shine, but price needs momentum. 2026 could hit 75 cents if alts wake up, or stall at 13 cents resistance. Anyway, I'm also building a long-term bag, as I believe in the data narrative. These updates build a rock-solid base for Web3 data dominance. From slashing RPC waste to AI integrations and dev tools, the graph is quietly stacking wins while price sleeps. My chart says watch for that trendline break, could flip the script fast. What do you think? Bull trap or breakout? Drop a comment on your GRT target. If this sparked ideas, destroy the like button, subscribe for more daily yield plays, and join my free Telegram group, link in pinned comment. Check my last The Graph videos on screen. More in the description. Thanks for watching. Never financial advice. See you tomorrow.